Hello students of class 9, welcome to new class. Now in class 9 also I'll take your algebra part and geometry part. Clear? Now first chapter of algebra is laws of indices. Very easy chapter. Okay, this is very easy one. Laws of indices. Now you know if A is multiplied by A into A, what we write? A square. A is multiplied 5 times by same variable A, 5 times. Then what I will write? A to the power 5. Clear? A is multiplied 3 times. What you write? A into A square into A square into A cube. So in general, if A is multiplied m number of times or n number of times, here I am writing m times, then what I write? A to the power m. Here A is any variable. In place of A there may be x, there may be y, maybe p, maybe z, etc. Then if x is multiplied m times, what I write? X to the power m. Y is multiplied m times, y to the power m. Like this. Clear? So here one particular name is there. What is that? X to the power m or a to the power m. I am writing x to the power m. Here x is called base, B-A-S-E, base, and m is called power or index. Clear? Power or index. X is base and that is power or index. Here x is any real number and m is a positive integer. X is any real number and m is a positive integer. And there are some laws. Okay. There are some laws of, this chapter is laws of indices and this is x to the power m. I have explained you x is called base and m is index or power, and there are some laws. One is fundamental law, that is very easy one. X to the power m into x to the power n. Here same variable x. Then if we'll multiply this, powers will be always added. X to the power m plus n. This is called the fundamental law of laws of indices. Clear? And there are more laws. I am writing one by one. You have to learn this. Number 1 I have written x to the power m into x to the power n is x to the power m plus n. Now it is number 2. It is division. X to the power m divided by x to the power n. Then powers will be subtracted. Then it will be x to the power m minus n. Clear? Where m is greater than n. And if n is greater than m, then it will be 1 by x to the power n minus m. When n is greater than m. Clear? And then next law, if it is in this form, x to the power m and outside the bracket power is n, then powers will be multiplied. X to the power, we will write x to the power mn. Clear? Then another law, if it is in this form, xy to the power m. Now see, variables are different, x and y. So separately we will open the bracket, you will write x to the power m into y to the power m. Clear? And another one, if it is x by y to the power m, then again separate variables. So different variables, we will write x to the power m by y to the power m. Clear? And another one, you will keep it in mind that any finite, non-zero finite quantity to the power 0, its value is always 1. We will use this. When we will calculate the sums, solve the problems, then we will use it. Any non-zero finite quantity to the power 0, its value is always 1. Here x to the power 0 once, maybe a to the power 0, maybe 5 to the power 0. Clear? Then what is there in exercise 2? Find out the values of this. Okay, you have to evaluate the value of this problem. What I am doing, it will be clear to you. See, exercise 2, 1, 1. Here, fifth root is given. 5 is here. Fifth root of this. 5 by 2 into 16 to the power minus 3 by 2. So 8. 8 means 2 cube. You know, 8 means 2 cube. And if I remove the bracket, fifth root, so here we will write 3 by 5. And according to the rule of laws of indices, this power will be added. Clear? 5 by 2 into 16 means 2 to the power 4 into there is minus 3 by 2. Or here 5 by 2 you can write outside of the bracket also. Okay, I am writing outside. 3 by 5 into 5 by 2. Now these 5 and 5 will be cancelled out. So 2 to the power 3 by 2 into this and this. So it is coming 2 to the power minus 6. So according to fundamental law, there is multiplication. You have to check whether the variables are same or not. Here base same, 2 and 2. So we can add the power in case of multiplication. If there is 2, there is 3, we can't add. For different base, we can't add. But here 2 and 2, same base. So powers will be added. 2 to the power 3 by 2 plus, and there is minus 2, directly I am writing this. Now we will take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. 3 minus 12. So 2 to the power minus 9 by 2. Here you also can end, or 2 to the power minus 9 by 2. One more step also you can write. Minus means it will be in denominator, 2 to the power 9 by 2. Clear? I am checking whether it is given in that form or not. It is given 2 to the power minus 9 by 2. Okay, you can end here also. Clear? So how we have done? Now next one. It is easy. Okay, next one. That is also number 2. Here second bracket 125 to the power minus 2 into 16 to the power minus 3 by 2, close the bracket, minus 1 by 6. So 125 we can break in this form. 5 cube, clear? 5 cube into minus 2, and 16 means 2 to the power 4 into minus 3 by 2, second bracket, power is minus 1 by 6. Here you cancel, and there is 5 to the power minus 6. Clear? 3 into minus 2 means minus 6 into 2 to the power minus 6. Second bracket, outside, power is minus 1 by 6. Then here both are 6 and both are negative. So one thing we can do, outside we can write minus 6, and there is another minus 1 by 6. Clear? So this minus minus plus, and this is cancelled out. So 5 into 2, 10. Our answer is 10. Here what I have done, there is minus 6, there is minus 6. Different number 5 and 2 but power same. So I have written here outside 5 into 2 to the power minus 6 and into there is another minus 1 by 6. My answer is 6 is cancelled out, minus minus plus 5 into 2 10. Clear? Now next one you will get in next video.